we decide which angles are biggest and which sides are biggest in a triangle? In a triangle, the longest side is across from the largest angle, and the shortest side is across from the smallest angle, okay? And conversely, so the smallest angle will be across from the shortest side. So we're going to match these up and look. The largest angle in this picture I give you is F, right? So we can name that angle F, or we can name it JFK or angle KFJ. The only thing that matters is that the F is in the middle, right? That's the letter we're talking about. Whenever they give you 3 letters, you just look at the letter in the middle. Okay, so here we are. We're in here. This is 95. It's my longest. It's across from my JK, so that is my longest side. Okay. My middle angle is 50, right? So my middle angle is K, and my middle side will be FJ. If you have multiple colors, it makes it really easy to color code, and this is angle K. Okay. My next one is 35. That's my smallest angle, and it's across from, or I say talking to, FK. And this is J. Okay. So largest is across from the longest, middle is across from the middle, smallest is across from the shortest. So let's go down and look at this. Sides are always 2 letters and angles are 1 or 3 letters. Sides are always 2 letters. So if they're asking you to put the sides, you need to give me 2 letters. So this one says the shortest side is, so this one I give you the sides, right? So I'm going to pick the smallest number, which is 9. Okay, so RS is my shortest side, and it's talking to the angle across from it, which is angle G. I'm going to switch colors here. My next middle number is 12. That's SG. So SG is my middle side, and it's across from my R. It's talking to R, so R is my middle angle. My longest side is 15, because they give this to me, and that is RG. Okay, and it's across or talking to my S. So my S is my longest side. That's really the gist. Okay, if I give you the angles, you have to find the sides and put them in order. If they ask you to put them in the order from smallest to biggest, you put them in order from smallest to biggest. If they ask you to put them in order from largest to smallest, that's what you do. So we're going to go down and do these 2 next examples, okay? So here we go. I'm going to push up a little bit, and we have these 2 answers. You can pause this and see if you can do this yourself, okay? And then check yourself in a minute after I go through them. So if you want to pause, you can pause and try to do them yourself. All right, here we go. Smallest to largest, and it wants sides, so I need 2 letters. You're not going to just put the angles in order, because I know you know how to do that, because I gave you the angles. So my smallest angle is 50. So my smallest angle is C, my middle angle is A, and my largest angle is B. And I know that because of the numbers they give me. So now I'm going to say C. Who's C talking to? It's talking to AB. It's not always going to be drawn to scale. Sometimes they're going to try to trick you and draw some of them differently. 55 is my middle, and 55 is across from or talking to my BC. 75 is my biggest, and it's across from or talking to my AC. Okay? My next one is smallest to largest, and I give you the sides, and you have to give me the angles. So we're looking for 1 letter or 3 letters. Okay, so here we go. Smallest side is XZ, and it's talking to my angle Y. My middle side is 11, right? And that's YZ, and it's talking to my X. My longest side is the 15 here, which is XY, and it's talking to my Z. So if I give you the sides, you have to put the angles in order. If it wants largest to smallest, you'll flip them. If this one wants longest to shortest, you just flip them. And that is the short version of notes for how to find the angles and sides in order.